Bomb coupons is being promoted as a way to get free game code, vouchers, or big discounts just by completing simple tasks. But the real question is whether those coupons actually work or if it's just a classic too good to be true setup. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Legitimate coupon platforms do exist, and some reward sites genuinely offer small incentives for completing surveys or offers. However, here's the key point. Bomb Coupon shows multiple strong warning signs that it doesn't deliver what it promises, what it claims to offer: free gaming gift cards or codes, big discounts or vouchers, simple steps like downloading apps or completing surveys. On the surface, it looks similar to real reward platforms. Major red flags. 1. Users rarely receive anything. Across reviews and user feedback, the most common complaint is simple. People complete all the steps and never get the coupon or code. Or 8 AI. 2. Endless task loops, classic trap. Users report being sent through surveys, app downloads, multiple redirects, but the reward never unlocks. This is a known tactic where sites profit from your actions, not from giving rewards. 3. Extremely low trust signals. The site has very low trust scores, around 10 out of 100. Poor average ratings, 1.4 stars from dozens of reviews. That's a major red flag for any online platform. That pattern lines up very closely with how Bomb Coupons operates. Real user sentiment. Completed the offers and still nothing, definitely a scam. You do not get any rewards, waste of time. The overall sentiment is overwhelmingly negative. So are Bomb Coupons usable or fake? They fall into a high-risk, likely scam category. It's not necessarily a site that instantly steals money, but it's designed to waste your time, collect data, generate revenue from your actions without actually giving the promised rewards. Final verdict. Bomb Coupons is not a reliable coupon platform. It's mostly fake marketing. The bottom line is this. If a site promises free high-value rewards for completing simple tasks, there's a very high chance you'll never actually receive anything. Better to stick with verified coupon platforms. Because with sites like this, the only thing you're likely to get is frustration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.